All right, milk, eggs, vegetables, fruit. Yeah, we got everything. We're good to go.
Finally, let's check out and head home.
Can I get a popsicle?
No sweet stuff today, honey. We already have fruit at home.
What's happening?
What was that noise?
Mom, why is everybody running? Something's wrong.
Everyone stay close to me.
What's going on?
Everybody stay calm. No one move. Everyone to the center aisle, now. Listen up. We've taken control of the store. No running, no screaming. Just sit down where you are told.
Listen carefully. We're here for something important. Once we get what we came for, we'll leave. If anyone tries to call, record, or do anything clever, and the guns speak next, stay quiet, stay seated, and nobody gets hurt.
Dad, I am scared. Dad, I am scared of guns.
Stay quiet, kids. Dad's here. Everything will be okay.
Take the bread, don't leave any behind. Get the canned food and bottled water. We need more milk over here. Hurry up, load it all. Take the baby formula too.
What are they doing?
I don't know. Just stay calm.
Do they want money from us? Dad, they're not taking money, just food.
Yeah, I see that. This doesn't make any sense.
Come on, move faster. Load everything up.
What is this button under the cash register? It says emergency. Should I press it? Maybe I should press it.
Police are here already. Let's get back in the truck. They are right behind us. Ryan is still inside, keeping the people under control. We have to get him. Put the weapon down right now. You are under arrest. Hands up. Walk toward me slowly. Stop right there. Keep your hands raised. Ryan got caught! What do we do now? We gotta go, right now! We can't leave him behind! We don't have a choice! We can't help Ryan now!
You want to explain what happened in that grocery store? Masks, guns, holding innocent people hostage. That's not some small crime, you know that, right?
We didn't want to hurt anybody. Then why walk in there armed? Because nobody listens otherwise. You had people terrified. You could have gone after cash or anything else, but instead, you took food. Because people back home are starving. What people? You expect me to believe this was about helping people?
You didn't see those kids. There's no food, no proper hospital, no school nearby.
So you thought this was the answer?
Yes. I know it sounds unbelievable, but it's the truth. All right. You're going to be charged. This will go to trial. Trial? Yes. You'll have a chance to explain your side there. Mr. Ryan, you are now under oath. Speak clearly and truthfully. Yes, Your Honor. Can you help the jury understand why you carried out the grocery store hijacking?
I know what I did looks wrong. I understand that. But I need the jury to understand why it happened.
We were living near the ocean. It was a small community. Fishing was our life. Life was simple back then. We didn't have much money, but we were happy. And no matter how hard things got, we always had food on the table and hope for the next day. Then one day, everything changed. A massive flood hit our community. So you're saying that justifies bringing weapons into a grocery store? Let him finish. I'm not saying it justifies it. I'm saying it explains what happened to us. It's not that simple. There's no food for families. No hospital when someone gets sick. And there are no jobs for the people either. Nothing. Just people stuck in the same place with no way out. And if the kids can't go to school, how are they supposed to get educated and ever get jobs? This is more serious than I thought. Mr. Ryan,
Do you understand that laws were broken?
Yes, I do, Your Honor. I just want you to understand. We weren't trying to become criminals. We were trying to survive.
Has the jury reached a verdict?
Yes, Your Honor, we have.
Please read the verdict.
In the matter of the state versus Ryan, we, the jury, find the defendant not guilty of criminal intent to harm civilians. However, we find that the defendant did participate in unlawful armed entry and actions that caused public fear.
The court accepts the jury's findings.
This case is not one of pure innocence or pure guilt. It is a case of desperation leading to unlawful action. While the jury does not find intent to harm civilians, responsibility for actions taken still remains.
Therefore, this court will not impose a maximum custodial sentence.
Instead, the defendant is sentenced to a structured rehabilitation order, community service, and mandatory counseling. And it is also responsibility on the part of this court to do more than judge.
This court will be recommending state action to improve food access, emergency response, education, transport, and job creation in underserved coastal communities.
Understood, Your Honor.
Court is adjourned.
I went through 6 months of rehabilitation, and meanwhile, the community finally received food, support, and the help they needed. Please help those in need as much as possible. Even a small kindness can change someone's life. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye.